Good day. My name is Angelica Riventus Reyes from 1BCRI-1ARB11. The most crime that I'm curious about is about Jeffrey Dahmer, because Jeffrey Dahmer is one of the most infamous serial killer in US. When he was a child, Dahmer was described as a quiet, withdrawn child. He showed interest in dead animals and dissection, possibly influenced by his father's scientific background. He committed a series of murders between 1978 and 1991, and he was known not just for killing but also deeply disturbing behavior involving his victims after their deaths. He killed 17 young men and boys. His dismemberment and even cannibalism. He was finally caught in 1991 when one of his intended victims escaped and flagged down to the police. Why I curious, bakit ako nagka-curious sa crime nito? Kasi ito ang pinaka-crime na nag-pop down sa social media back then. Kasi nga sa sobrang famous nito is lumabas siya sa Netflix na nangyari na parang nagre-repeat lang siya sa mga news. And also nababalita rin to sa iba't ibang klase na platforms like Facebook, news, and other news na pwedeng gamitin. And also sa sobrang famous na tong crime na to, like kasi may one time na story about dyan na parang si Jeffrey Dahmer daw is parang napunta sa langit pero wala namang may alam kung may langit ba o hindi. Pero sabi nila is parang nagbaptize si Jeffrey Dahmer upang makapunta sa langit, like about doon is parang wala namang makakasabi. Then si Jeffrey Dahmer, bakit sa akin, nakikurious ako kasi nga paano niya natago or what. Pero napalabas naman siya sa Netflix, so nalaman ko rin. Then yung pinaka-last is yung part na namatay rin si Jeffrey Dahmer, not because of old like that, pero dahil sa pinatay siya ng ka-inmate niya dahil nalaman nung ka-inmate niya na, which is Black American, kasi most of na kinikil parang pinapatay ni Jeffrey Dahmer is Black American. So yung Black American na yun, nakala niya sa sarili niya na baka patayin din siya ni Jeffrey Dahmer. Kaya inunahan niya na to ng parang bat, then inano sa ulo. Ayun lang po bakit ako curious dito, and thank you.